Thank you very much, Mr. Benjamin. First of all, before I break the whole issue down, I'd love to thank everyone who has spent his or her time to come and witness whatever happened in the court. So, ladies and gentlemen, all those ones who are watching me right now in this interview, uh, by the names, I'm called Patrick Joshua Okello. Those are my names. I'm a Ugandan citizen, and by virtue of that, I appear before you, or I file this matter as a concerned citizen under Article 50, Clause 1 and 2 of the 1995 Constitution. But then, my coming here is over something that had happened some time back. It is not something fresh. So, what I would say is the chronology of the history of this case is that early this year, that was in the month of April, I think 6th of April this year, this honorable court passed a ruling in favor of the application that had filed at High Court Soroti, where we are right now, whereby when the application, when the ruling was being passed, all the declarations, the orders, and the prayers that had put in the application were being passed in my favor. So, looking at the key orders and the declarations, I remember one of it was the loading and offloading of passengers was banned, or the court restricted them from loading and offloading passengers in the streets of Soroti. Then, second, also, the city council, or rather, Soroti City Council, was given a grace period of around 2 years to build a transport terminal and also an intersection, which, in a layman's understanding, we know it as a roundabout. So that is what was passed. This is confusing very many people. Some people assume the same case which I had filed last year is still going on, but that is not the case. The case that had filed last year, rather, the application got done, and I won the case whereby court restricted the respondents, so to City Council and Attorney General, from the legal loading and offloading of passengers. But to my surprise, or to the dismay of the public, the respondents, or rather Soroti City Council, did not follow the orders and the declarations that court had passed earlier on. Now, in law, usually when someone goes against what court has passed, that person has an opportunity to go back to court and file what we call a miscellaneous application for contempt of court order. So, in a layman's understanding, they breached, or rather, they went against the orders that court had passed against them, and neither did they follow even one of the orders. Now, by virtue of them doing that, meant that I had to come back to court to notify court that the orders and the declarations that you had passed in the month of April against Soroti City Council have not been obeyed, but have been disobeyed. Now, my coming back to court is to tell court, or to notify court, that let the respondents be punished or committed for imprisonment over their acts or their illegal acts against what this honorable court had passed. That's why I'm in court. I won the case, you remember. My coming back is just to report them to court, telling court that they are not obeying the orders that he had passed. Now, today we appeared here, as I speak right now, ladies and gentlemen, we appeared in court. We are already done with court, whereby we are being told to make, the respondents, or rather, Solicitor Council and Attorney General, are being told to make a reply on 6th of December. So, what I can say is the matter has been pushed up to 6th of December, which is not so far from now. But then, what I can assure you is, I'm here not because I want to make money, but according to the rule of law, I'm here to protect the rights of citizens. Because I shall never, I will never continue watching the rule of law being bent when I'm doing nothing. Because what I know is, as far as my wisdom and my knowledge law is concerned, is that the safeguards, the midwives of the procedures in this matter is the law. So I can say is, what I can say is, if you don't follow the law, or if I watch you not following the procedures of the law, then we shall not be. That is what I can assure you for now. So basically, what happened is what I said in a few minutes ago. We're done with the court. Matters been pushed up to 6. So let's appear again on 6. Those ones who are here, we can appear on 6 and see again what court says. But on 6, I think they will give a response on that, and we see the way forward. So I'm updating you on this because this is a public domain. It's a public interest litigation matter. It's not a matter that benefits me only as an individual, but it's a matter that benefits me, your children, your grandkids, and the next generation that will come after us. Even at the time when Jesus Christ will come, I'm sure it will even benefit that generation. Even those roads will be there. Thank you so much. Unless if there is any other question that you wish to ask me.
I just wanted to matter so I'm missing this one the ball of the yard corona telecard musago
Ebo yalama ngono atekere esuli jasi kinga keda esungunu lo poto potune chinga ina kusipaka anoite no iswama sane yalama ngono ikere tawlo liogo ido da kutonge shalami kine sunwe nara jaute kada ne mamera nuka ko batera nuku suda nara musago le jaine ere musago lo ikama nara kedi tungalo atube mamere musagara la nuko karali ke bore ikama nara kedi do pitene so akotonga bongo rikaw ajaute kani erai ade musagolo seki koyo kawani na la puko tungo kota lo palo e koti le nyarta e Soroti High Court se musago ngola puko tinga ne arale kama na rake de e loading ni tunga o main streets keda yo loading to main street nara ya pakio ngono opota kanga si kwa kata buji buni jo ikoto ya luseni je Mario ya Mario rota ni e mame abo sti boy kini jo kapa chudara de bas pakara muni jo mame era do roti loading ari tuma bala so ne sabo ya nga yauto re musabo o karuje la tubori lo iluku mini yare ka kaisara lo are ne da yaunge musago woni ne abwenge teleke musago no te mare koti bonede kwane sulu to sata esuka pe sulu site kaso kera toni jelo e koto kwane sapala re loading itunga o main street kada yo loading itunga main street teteri e taunu edumuna ipuchu na joko teteri taunu era onogana sitera to akishada keda kama sikido kwenye nao moki na tekere itolo me koti lo e orders in arabo na tiki sila abesi site kanso kera toni general ajala ite le kuikido sikisi araba takisi za somo opo tukesi sinyi ko kisi e loading it makeno loading to so osodi do ngeta we tu weekend abala ngeta obonebe kapata limu ne koti kwae dobo bo amengeri kisi na bale koti eri bore na rono nara dicho kale na ikoni ko kegwa kiro doje chorani ko kubonebe next time amiswama idumuni jo bonebe erai na umoki ni ko kube nyogo na somra tugu ikini jo so ni nyogo ikina ijo kapata uriani mina ja lechori ko nare dumbi nyogo jo so ka sinyi ko kina tar kesi ya loading to akede offloading to oro abudonga tojo ka bonebe kisili lesi bore ni bone pera tenda nara ite manya limo ene twene na bone bene twene ru na wa kuma beri ya ngata kiro ngare juala one twene juala so anwa ngunu abunga tojo ka bone be kambenger kina tar kesi mabali koti pera bonga bongo koti etijen kine koti bone be ikisila arabonati oda za bakasabla lo pote sitolo mutu amengeri kini bobo akiro tona pa monya ngo musaga jero ngeji so kapete kode dipite ngesu ija kisitungalo e punishment arabona to tachata imilionini akwata kanyawo so lolo ibuniti so koti ya makira ngono neda etojoke koti bonebe bongu tubo sakanya pe nesa siku nyingine musago la bongu to rengone anu itunga yare le to sata ngisite kaso kera toni jero na mengeri kini ikisila la pale koti to musago lo koje lo abuenga telekani so atekeri yalama ngonoi ajai ngona nukusido de pereta oka otunga adilutu nali wona biru lukuchu anu nare epesini nyipore do de rango kupani ama ngapa na mata de China dara jenengo bonebe ao koto mameri gore na patala ya moto kenanyi twene di twena planare mame bungu kini konya nanga moto kananga moto ka emuna ra moto kan pata ni timoki so akaja utene rakere tawlo le tawle krista yo mam ngaja ine anu nara ko asomi ko nara nyung tena paki na sori na geo nage musago mama te marbone be gichelo to sare ki politician gan to sanga ke kapure mame nganyami di kapure di politician ari dio to ni gante on saga lo ara kai saka yes manga bala be mameli gan to se kapa tera ri bore ni o mi ari ti atu kwitu ngale jasi kauka gan to sa o misho ituka konye o waili kapuno mamge ngi tutore di ngare no bingara ko nga to poni kapuna no ko musago to somatango kakapuni esa to somatango nara jene ngo bonebe eri bore ni ganga kinengo ganga kini kadwe ganga kini katatai ganga kini munda le vote achake mwakati binya kango la suba do biganga ini bore munda le vote are ki amuno bare ko yesu le vote after yesu kristo na bune eri bore ni ganga kini sano angono akotenge satitinyi abala bichu boy bible bonebe e mami bore ni die uni do de sanya mami e mami nyini bore jake pakira na yes jena boneni bonebe apoto ke Soroti loading ata bitu ngaka da loading menge kitos konye kia ngamu no bonebe edol na pak na pa e cham na tar kesi da misiki ni bonebe ni soma de kesi mame joka so te kesi ira ran so ate kera yala ma nguna kutunga bimu ko pa ninja min mam ngaji na reja cheni yala ma ngono so ate ke kakiro ko na yala